Over here, you can see that I got a small screenshot. And if I were to resize this, just like this, by pulling out the handles, you can see that the result is transparent in the resized areas. But let's say I want a color there. Then in that case, what you can do is you can work around with canvas colors. So right click, click on canvas colors. And what you can do is you can select out the color you want, press OK, drag it out. And what happens is that you get that color instead of transparency. So now what I'm going to do is use this exact same color right here on the background. So I can go around here, go to canvas color, and over here I can use the color picker, take that color right there, press OK. Now when I resize, what happens is that I get the same color just like that. So I can go around here just like that. There's some cropping to do over here on the left and right just like this. So I can go around and then drag this out, and you can see that now it seems as if it is the same background just like that. So I can do that right over here as well, just like this. And I can right click, go to canvas colors, and then over here, take the color sample, press OK. And when I drag it out, you can see that I have the same color. And that is how we can change the canvas colors to match out well with the background to have a seamless resize of screenshots right over here in Snagit editor. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.